How to redirect your GoDaddy domain to another website. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redirect your GoDaddy domain. So GoDaddy has some of the cheapest domain names available, and you can easily use them for other websites, whether you're building on Shopify, Google Sites, or any other platform. You can always redirect your GoDaddy domain so your domain links to that particular website. So in this tutorial, we're going to head on over into one of our domains on GoDaddy, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually forward this domain to another website. Now, when you go into your domain over here, if you click on domain on the left, once you click on domain on the left, you will have your renewal terms, your domain security, as well as selling. Then below that, you have manage DNS. Now, adding DNS actually puts your domain in direct connection, but we are looking to forward our domain or redirect our domain. So redirection for a redirected domain to, let's say, for example, I want to do Shopify right now. I would go into GoDaddy and click on forward domain. Once you click on forward domain, you're going to select the domain that you want to redirect. So I'm going to select this domain, which is lilydavis.site. Then if I want, I can choose to redirect the spencer.site to the lilydavis.site, but I don't want to do that. Instead, I want to redirect it to a different website. Let's say I want the spencer.site to redirect to, let's say, Medium. And on Medium, it's medium.com/Spencer. Let's say that's my profile on Medium. So I can connect my GoDaddy domain to Medium, and it's going to redirect people to that particular Medium page, which might be my own portfolio. So it doesn't matter, even if you don't own another website, you can always redirect. Let's say I want to redirect to Tumblr, okay? And all I have to do is click on connect domain, and I can connect to Tumblr as well. We can do Wedding Wire, Squarespace, Eventbrite, Weebly, Wix, WordPress. Then we have online stores like Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Flickr, YouTube, Instagram. So let's say we want to do Pinterest. And for that, first, I'm going to open up my Pinterest account so I can show you guys what my Pinterest account looks like. And we can copy the link for my Pinterest account, and we're just going to have it be redirected. And I'm just going to log on over here, and it only takes a couple of seconds. Now that we've logged on, this is our Pinterest profile, and I'm going to copy the link, go back into GoDaddy, paste it over here. I'm going to copy this, it did not copy, and I'm going to click on paste, then click on connect domain. Then you have advanced option if you want this to be temporary, permanent, or forward with masking. Let's say I want this to be temporary, and then we're going to connect domain. And right now it's connecting my domain to that particular website. And just like that, the spencer.site has been redirected to my Pinterest homepage. Now, if I type in the spencer.site on a new tab, it's actually going to open up my Pinterest account instead of opening up a distinctive website. It would be redirecting you to that particular page on Pinterest. Now, again, if you want to do this with another platform, right now you guys can see I have connected it to Pinterest, and this is already in use. Selecting a different destination will override the previous one. So I'm going to delete the current connection to my Pinterest account, and if I want to connect to Shopify, let's say, I would select Shopify, click on connect domain, and then we're going to go into Shopify, go into settings over here. Once I go into settings, I would go into domains on the left, and this is more so building a domain connection via DNS. So I would click on connect existing domain, add my domain, and then connect it with GoDaddy. The difference between a domain forward and a domain connection is primarily on how the domain is going to operate. When you directly connect a domain with Shopify, the DNS records of that domain are going to include Shopify. Whereas when I connected Pinterest, okay, when we connect Pinterest to our GoDaddy domain, it doesn't mean that our GoDaddy domain currently is now connected to Pinterest. It just means that anyone that searches for a GoDaddy domain is going to be led to our Pinterest page instead. Now, you can do this for any of your domains, and you can alter any of the information present within domain. So I have another domain called lilydavis.site, and if I want to redirect that as well, I can go into my DNS management and I'm just going to search for my domain, and then I can click on forwarding. Once I click on forward, I can even set up a free social domain. Currently, GoDaddy does have that promo, but I can click on add forwarding and I can add my destination URL. Your destination URL can even be any URL you want. So I'm gonna go on to, let's say, a fashion blog. So I'm gonna search for a fashion blog, and we have this blog over here, and I want people to be redirected to this one, and I'm just gonna copy this, go back into GoDaddy, paste in the destination URL, click on save. Right now the connection is being built, so our GoDaddy domain would be redirected to this particular domain. Now, if anyone, opens up lilydavis.site, instead of lilydavis.site, it's going to open up its casual blog. Now, another really important thing to note, a lot of people feel like, oh, is my domain connection even valid because it's not showing up, it's not doing the forwarding, it's not doing the redirecting. Well, most DNS updates take effect within an hour, but it could take up to 48 hours for global editing. So it might take a bit longer for the changes to actually take effect, but usually it happens within like 20 minutes. Like after 20 minutes, if you go back and come back and check, your domain is probably going to be fully functional and it's going to be fully redirected. Usually the instant moment where you redirect your domain, it does have this error where it just says the site cannot be reached. That's because the changes are being made. Now you might say, hey, I have redirected my GoDaddy domain, but I want to use another domain which is similar for my own site or for one of my, blogs, whatever it might be. Well, if you go onto GoDaddy and you search for something, I already have the Spencer. So if I search for the Spencer again, it's probably going to show me a lot of different other options that are very cheap. You guys can see we have so many cheap options available still. And these prices are only for the first year. So for the first year, you would pay this price that you guys can see. I'm going to convert this into USD so you guys can get an estimate. So 99 cents, $0.01. We have $2, $3, $4. So people can proceed with these amazing offers on GoDaddy. And even if you want similar domains within the same brand, you can have multiple different things that are very similar. The Spencer.us, the Spencer.me, the Spencer.club, all of these domains are available and can easily be purchased. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with redirecting your GoDaddy domain. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content and comment down below if there is anything else you would like to know. Thanks for watching.